Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to download songs on your phone using just Chrome? Here's how in under 60 seconds. First of all, open Chrome, search for a free music download site like MP3 Juices or UT MP3. The Tap the link and search for song. Once you find the song, go back to YouTube, search for a song, copy the link, then paste here and convert. You will see the MP3 there, then click download, back again, and it's downloading. Now that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.